Right.
Now I take my foot.
Right.
It starts.
Going straight.
Start going. Neutral march.
Yeah.
Now I take my hand, my foot. You see it start moving.
Oh, going backwards.
Yeah. You see? It start moving, you see?
Yeah.
Take the video.
Oh, speeding up. Oh man. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haris Leem Didi. I'm here with another special Madinatul Munawwara video. In today's special video, I'm going to be going to Wadi E Jinn near Madinatul Munawwara. And I'm also going to be breaking down the scientific facts behind this place. And also if there's actually any religious significance to this place at all, as a lot of people believe to be. Now, before we get into the video, I'm going to ask if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, choose all alerts. Secondly, make sure to share this video with your friends and family. And if you enjoy this video, please make sure to click the like button and also comment any of your thoughts and questions below. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, we've just left the hotel, Pullman Zamzam. And so we have to head in the northwest direction from Masjid Nabawi. Basically get out of the city limits of Madina and take Uthman bin Affan Road all the way down to Route 8110. It's actually kind of a scenic drive. You pass by a lot of date farms, as you'll see later on. Okay, so to give some context about Wadi E Jinn, or otherwise known as Wadi al-Baida, or even Valley of the Jinns in English. It's a mysterious valley where people see their cars moving without actually being in the drive gear. You just keep it in neutral and it's actually looking like it's moving uphill. So a lot of people, especially from my part of the world, like subcontinent Pakistan area, believe that this place is actually religiously significant and that there is a lot of jinn present in this valley. I don't necessarily believe that to be true, but actually it's just a phenomenon known as reverse gravity. I say this because there's actually other parts of the world, and actually other parts in even Saudi Arabia, where this type of sensation that you're moving forward and moving uphill by yourself without the use of your engine or accelerator or anything like that is prevalent. So as you can see, there's a lot of date farms here, very beautiful. There's actually people who have claimed that like at night they've heard like voices of jinn saying, oh, you must leave this place and things like that. I don't know the validity of that. I mean, there could be jinn anywhere in the world, but I highly doubt that it's jinn actually pushing the vehicles. So kind of to elaborate further about what reverse gravity really is, it's like a natural phenomenon, and it usually occurs in like these rocky type of mountain areas. Basically employing the use of high magnetic forces, like magnetic compounds that are buried deep inside of these mountains and the ground, and it attracts cars and kind of pulls it towards them, and this creates a reverse gravity type of effect. Another scientific theory behind Wadi E Jinn is that it's an optical illusion, and I actually believe this to be true, just because there's actually there's other places in the world. I believe in Africa, there's another place I believe in California in the United States that's very similar to this phenomenon. Basically the landscape, when you're looking at it with your bare like naked eye, it seems to make your downhill descent feel like it's going uphill. Like to your eye it looks like you're going uphill, but in actuality, because of the altitude and magnetic forces, things like that, you're actually heading downhill. So when cars are moving in what seems to be an uphill type of road, it's actually moving downhill, but your eyes perceive it due to an optical illusion as uphill. This can actually be proved by possibly pouring some water and just observing the flow of water. There's not too much civilization out here, to be honest. There's a park that comes up, it's called Al-Baida Public Park, right before Wadi E Jinn, and this is actually a very popular and common picnic spot for Saudi locals who live in this area, who live anywhere actually in Saudi Arabia. It's very beautiful to come out there and just sit and enjoy like your picnic, your lunch, maybe even dinner. I believe there's actually some campsites here too. As you can see, there's actually like recreational vehicles here, like four-wheelers, dirt bikes, things of that nature, so you can actually rent one of these and just have a good time with your friends, with your family. It's a very, very nice place to be. I definitely recommend coming here if you're here in Saudi Arabia for a long period of time, more than like a week or two, I definitely recommend stopping by here and just enjoying, and also getting to see the cool phenomenon of Wadi E Jinn. Alright, so now we're getting close to Wadi E Jinn. You're going to start to see signs very shortly. So this is actually my first time here in Wadi E Jinn, so my driver brother Hayatin Muhammad will be providing some context here.
The car coming this up and they came here. You see, now you're going down,
Yeah.
and then the car will be coming toward here.
Coming out, yeah.
Yeah, I will stop there here. You will see. But the car, okay. Now you can see. I will close. Oh, switch on only to take it. Neutral march.
Yeah.
Now I take my foot. You see, it start move.
Going backwards.
Yeah, you see, on the back side. I must take my direction. You see,
Yeah.
no power, no engine.
Going
Upward. It is going now upward
Yeah.
without any engine. If
And
you
it speed
go,
up really fast, right?
yeah,
100.
it will increase its speed after a certain second.
Or when we
Yeah,
go down there,
toward
it
the
goes,
Yeah,
huh?
it will go. Now
It's starting to go faster
it
now.
starts going fast.
Yeah.
It start going fast, and then we take our break because it's danger.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we go also
The other side.
on the other side.
On the other side.
Yeah. You see now?
Yeah.
Down.
They're going, yeah.
You see? Yeah. It does not go on that side.
Yeah.
I don't know the reason why.
You only go on this side.
Yeah, on this side. Now, even if big truck, the same.
Same thing,
It
right?
doesn't take the load.
Right.
Wait, no problem. You see? Now we'll stop here. It is upward direction
Right.
and neutral march, switch, engine. Okay.
Right.
Now I take my foot.
Right.
It starts.
Going straight.
Starts going. I need this good explanation for this. In
Yeah.
physics, what they say?
Yeah, this is optical illusion, basically.
Optical
illusion.
illusion.
Yeah. It looks like it's up, but it's actually down.
Oh.
Yeah. When you see it look like it's going up,
Yeah.
but it's actually going down.
Yeah, I mean,
Gravity.
normal person think.
Yeah.
Not.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh?
Yeah.
if you wait, it's
The
go.
other side go more faster, is it right?
Huh?
When we go over there, the other side is more faster.
Yeah, on the back side.
No. In this side, more faster over
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
We go over there, let's go. और तेज जाती है यहाँ थोड़ा सा Jinn like the green area, green more like, and the tree he will tell you when you see the Jinn,
Yeah.
the tree is all burned out because the Jinn is made of fire.
Yeah.
So the tree it's gonna be other tree green, but where the Jinn living is all burned out,
Yes.
black, like a coal.
This camel milk.
They sell camel milk here.
They'll give you here.
Oh, Hashi?
Yes.
It's not healthy, is that no good?
It's too
no.
salt, too much salt.
No, not salt. It's not clean, is it right?
No, salty, more salty.
No, they sell them in the store too, the Hashi milk. They do that or no?
I don't think. Oh,
Camel की निकाल.
Sudani.
Sudani.
No camel now. See?
Maaf Hashi, huh?
Yes. No camel. Here is camel.
No, that's the horse.
Photograph on the camel.
लेना photo लेना.
That's the horse, right?
Yeah, here real.
हाँ?
Oh, wait. That's the masjid over here. The little masjid over here.
People when they came here, they pray here. It's around.
Yeah. And then we go down without the, you turn off, you go on,
A lot of big rock.
इधर भी है जबरदस्त amount.
If you go Ula, Al-Ula city, the mountain looks like artificial. Normal. It will go. Because the level is downward. It will go.
Oh yeah.
Highly.
They get faster, right?
Yeah. After a certain microsecond, it will increase this speed. Yeah. And lastly, we cannot control the car.
You get
We
too
cannot
fast.
control the car. Yeah, it started speed.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Now, 20 to 30.
20 or 30.
And then it will go up to 40, 50. It's 40.
Oh.
Yeah. So increase. But the engine is not good. It feel hot.
Oh, we're getting fast now.
Yeah.
Almost 60.
It will go down more than 100 speeds.
Oh man.
So it's the danger.
Very dangerous,
I
right?
must stop here, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, hard to control, yeah.
Yeah, to control at that time, after that,
Yeah, too much.
very hard. Yeah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
And you can get an accident.
Indonesia, Malaysia.
They're putting the water to check?
Yeah, they do water, yes.
Oh, the
You
water
see,
bottle.
You can see what they do. You see?
Yeah.
But only, I am sure, cars. Any truck, it will go. Any truck.
The water bottle moving.
Yeah. Yeah. السلام عليكم صديق. ايش في روح هذا مويه؟ مويه روح هذا تو؟ بس سيارة أنا معلوم.
It's a Bangladesh. Huh?
ايه بنغلاديش. يصور فيديو.
Yeah.
Take the video.
Oh, speeding up. Oh man.
भाई साहब सऊदी भाई ايش في هذه الارض؟ ايش في اللي في It start moving, you see? The people.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح وبث الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضل